Listen for one moment, lads, hear me tell me tale. On a ship from England, so I was condemned to sail. The jury found me guilty, sir, said the judge, said he. Oh, Jim Jones, I'm sending you across the stormy sea. Oh, Jim Jones, I'm sending you across the stormy sea. Take my tip before you sip, join the iron gang. Don't get too crazy about it, boy, or else you'll surely hang. Yes, you will surely hang, he said, and after that, Jim Jones. High upon the gallows tree, them crows will peck your bones. Hey! High upon the gallows tree, them crows will peck your bones. Hey! Remember what I say? From the poaching out of you out of Botany Bay. The waves were high upon the sea, the wind blew up and gale. I'd rather drown in misery than gone to New South Wales. Hey! Rather drown in misery than gone to New South Wales. Hey! Winds blew high upon the sea when the pirates came along. Hey! The soldier on a convict ship were full 500 strong. Hey! They opened fire and somehow drove the pirate ship away. I'd rather join a pirate ship than gone to Botany Bay. Hey! Rather join a pirate ship